Okay, so first step is to unscrew the objectives. Alright, this will be your last step when you're assembling the probe station together. You see how smoothly this comes up and comes out. If you drop these objectives, threads will be messed up and cut, and you won't be able to put those back. So you have to be very careful. You screw these things in. It has to go in very smoothly, as you can see here. Okay, very smoothly goes in and out of these holes in that thing. And most important is to make sure that you keep good care, handle them with care. Okay, so these are your three objectives that came with this system. You're gonna put this, set it aside, and those will go in last. So they come out first and they go in last. Next, I'm gonna take out the chuck. Chuck has a pin. You can see this pin here. I'm gonna point to it. That pin needs to line up with this hole in here. Okay, if it doesn't line up and you push that chuck in, it's not gonna go in, and you break that pin. That pin allows you to rotate the chuck via this knob here. This is the theta rotation of the knob. Okay, and if you tighten that screw, you basically hold the chuck steady and the theta is locked. Okay, so that screw is the theta lock. Alright, and you can see the belts, these ones and these ones are new belts on both sides. Okay, these are new belts, brand new, straight from the factory. Okay, so we set this aside next to those objectives, and this will go in second from last, so you will go reverse order. Okay, so that's that. Next thing, we're gonna be taking out the microscope. Actually, we'll take out the eyepieces from the microscope. So again, these are in the order, third from the last. Those will go in last, third from last. Okay, we're gonna take out the microscope, and to take out the microscope, there are 5 screws. We're gonna unscrew the microscope with the focus plug. Okay, 2 on the top, 3 on the bottom. I'm gonna take these out and tape it to this plate on the back of the focus plug. This is called the focus plug. This is the lighting for the microscope, this piece here. Okay, and once again, these are gonna come in the order we are dismantling it. Okay, so this will be the 4th from the last. Another thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this, the light source controller transformer for the light. Okay, so I'm gonna take this guy out, and there's a connector from the light source to the back of this guy here. Okay, so this guy goes into the back of the microscope just like that, and this is the power supply, power cord for the light source. Okay, power source for the microscope and its associated power cord, and this is the guy that actually goes to the light, this thing here with 3 pins, and goes to the back of it. Alright,